Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a creator who has ever pulled your hair out over click-through rates, stared blankly at average view duration charts, or just felt like the traditional algorithm is this impossible puzzle to crack, you are in the exact right place. Today, we are setting the stage to reveal a hidden backdoor to massive viewership. And the best part? It completely bypasses the usual platform algorithms. We're going to break down exactly how the recent shift in artificial intelligence search engines has created a massive, totally untapped opportunity for new creators to go viral.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap. We'll start with the AI search secret, then cover 4 specific strategies: optimizing your length, leveraging chapter markers, crafting detailed descriptions, and mastering manual transcripts. Finally, we'll wrap the whole thing up with a step-by-step alignment checklist.
Section 1. The AI search secret, or as I like to call it, unlocking the hidden backdoor. You know, we've all been trained to think the traditional recommendation algorithm is the only way to get exposure, but the game has fundamentally changed.
Think about this for a second. When you type a query into ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity, where exactly is that machine pulling its answers from? Well, a brand new study just dropped and the results are absolutely staggering. Across all of these major AI platforms, the #1 source they are pulling from is now YouTube. In fact, AI cites YouTube 200 times more than any other video platform. And for certain topics, it's actually beating Wikipedia as the primary source of truth.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the number 40. According to the research, 40% of the videos that these AI engines cited had under 1,000 views at the time they were picked. Let that sink in. Your subscriber count, your view count, your like-to-dislike ratio, none of it matters to the AI. Some of the cited videos were even up to 3 years old. The AI just does not care if you are popular, it only cares if your content is useful and directly answers a user's prompt.
To put this into perspective, let's quickly define what an AI overview actually is. When you Google something today, more than half the time you get a direct AI-generated answer right at the top of the page. At the bottom of that text, Google provides source links, and a massive portion of those links point straight to videos. If someone asks Perplexity how to start a specific type of channel, it answers the question and links directly to a creator. This is the ultimate equalizer. If you're a small creator struggling for exposure, this is your direct shot to get in front of billions of users.
Let's move to Strategy 1, video length, and see what format AI actually prefers to read and recommend.
The data is overwhelmingly one-sided here. 94% of the videos cited by AI are long-form content. Shorts make up a measly 5%. So if your primary goal right now is to hack this AI search backdoor, you need to steer clear of short-form content. The AI is looking for depth, context, and comprehensive answers, which it simply cannot find in a 30-second clip.
Drilling down even further, the sweet spot for AI citation is between 10 and 20 minutes. Content falling exactly in this window makes up about 1/3 of all AI citations. So as you plan your upcoming content calendar, aim to build well-paced, informative deep dives that hit that 10 to 20-minute mark.
Strategy 2. Chapter markers, turning one upload into many. Right now, only 31% of YouTube videos being cited by AI actually use chapter markers in their descriptions. That is a massive gap in the market and a huge opportunity for you. Here's why that gap matters so much. 78% of videos that do have chapters in their description get cited more than once. By simply organizing your content, you dramatically increase the machine's ability to find and serve your work. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly why that happens. If you upload one cooking video without chapters, AI sees one long block of information. But if you add chapter markers for ingredients, prep, and baking, the AI treats every single chapter as its own mini article. You effectively turn one piece of content into 5 different chances to be cited for 5 completely different questions. It's essentially cloning your reach with 0 extra filming.
Strategy 3. Detailed descriptions. Writing for the machine. For years, creators were told the descriptions didn't really matter that much because human viewers rarely read them. Well, throw that advice out the window. In this new era, you are no longer writing descriptions for human eyes. You are writing them entirely for the machine.
Data shows that AI-cited videos average over 500 words in their descriptions. You need to be hyper-detailed. Separate your topic section by section. If you mention a brand name, type it out. If you talk about a public figure, include their full name, mention exact locations, and spell out specific concepts. Think of it like this. If your content is about fixing a leaky sink, your description better include the exact wrench size, the brand of the pipe, and the name of the technique. The AI absolutely needs this text to index your knowledge.
Strategy 4, manual transcripts, correcting the platform's mistakes. This is about taking control. AI relies on text to understand what you are saying in your audio. The problem, the auto-generated captions are, frankly, terrible. They constantly misspell industry terms, names, and crucial context.
To fix this, you have to feed the system a 100% accurate manual text upload. Don't worry, it's incredibly easy to do. You just go to your studio content details, click on subtitles on the left, and select your language. Then click Add and choose Auto-Sing. From there, you just paste your entire perfectly spelled script into the box and hit Publish. The platform will automatically sync your flawless text with the audio, minimizing any chance of the AI misinterpreting your valuable content. The alignment checklist, your step-by-step playbook. So, the crucial point is, what if you don't use a script? What if you are the type of creator who just freestyles into the microphone? We have a workflow for that, ensuring your descriptions and chapter markers align perfectly without hours of extra work. Here is the exact checklist. First, take your finished, exported file and upload it directly to Google Drive. Once it processes, click on it, and on the right side you'll see the Gemini AI icon. Click it and type this exact prompt. Give me the subtitles to this video with accurate timestamps. Gemini will spit out a highly detailed timestamp transcript of your freestyled audio. Step 3. Copy that transcript. Step 4. Paste it into an AI tool like Claude or ChatGPT and ask it to write a 500-word, highly detailed description separated by those exact chapter markers. Just like that, in less than 5 minutes, you have perfectly aligned timestamps, a rich description, and a flawless transcript ready to upload. It is a total game changer. We are standing at the edge of a completely new era of search. The playing field has been leveled. AI doesn't care how many followers you have. It cares about the quality and structure of your information. With this hidden backdoor now wide open, how are you going to optimize your next upload? Take these 4 strategies, implement the alignment checklist, and start writing for the machine. I absolutely cannot wait to see your knowledge get pushed to the top of the search engines.